Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw sa ating lahat, especially to all my followers around the world, no? Especially from the people of China, the people of Russia, the people of Middle East countries, the people of the United States of America, and especially the people of Italy. Buongiorno. So, thank you so much mga kaibigan, especially those people not yet followed in our Facebook page and our TikTok and our Celebi and our YouTube channel not yet subscribe mga kaibigan. Tapos na ho tayong pumunta doon sa newly installed radio operator, kung ano po yung dapat gagawin, ano po yung hindi dapat gagawin. Kung ano pa yung dapat gagawin. The most very stressful, the most very painful, emotional painful designations and tasking in every aspect of the enforcement is the radio operator. Responding disasters and emergency response, legitimate operations, everything now and then that would happen in our EOR in our country. The silent pillar on that is the radio operator. Even the airplane or in the CAAP or in the aviation in the airport, the airplane or the jet, they could not fly without prior consultations and approval by the air traffic control. It called a normalized as a radio operator. Without that, without permissions, and then you cannot land and you cannot take off. That is protocol in the air traffic control. But here on the land, to this spot, foot patrollers, bike patrollers, motor cops patrollers, and mobile patrollers are under by the designations of the radio operator mga kaibigan in order to have a successful operations or... Ngayon mga kaibigan, nandito ho tayo sa Tagum City Police Station. Bibisitahin natin yung bagong under 3 natin na radio operator. Dito ho tayo. At saka i-guide natin siya because that is a protocol. Render this type of designations to rendering duty. It is not easy because it is the most very stressful in nature, these designations and tasking that we have mga kaibigan. So that's why we are here in order to guide to render 24 hours duty mga kaibigan as a radio operator of Bismuth Base. So dito po tayo. Morning mga Chef, morning. Guys.
Okay.
How's... kuwan ka, unsa man, wala ano?
Wala pa. May kinaka ba? Ganahan ko din pre. Akong mentor.
Mamo, mana itong mentor? Wala kuan. Nakaw pa ko.
Wala pa pre kana mga
unsa dispatching? Ganon ho.
Sige, sir. Salamat, sir.
Kaya man ka?
Super, okay pa man.
Okay pa.